Bini oye. They say now where one of our live video presenter they sleep with that. If you know say now you get this room, you are wanted. If you know say now you get this room, oh, you are wanted. Oh, are wegenya? Ah no. Oh. Ah, this life, eh? Ah, if Iyore self cannot stay in this place, Iyore, Iyore or Igbe 5 years. I say Iyore, Iyore. This something I get the way they do me for inside belly. They lele me. Something you know, they lele me one can I make me they say they lele me. No. To be honest, nah. Una don't see say I am the seer of Fisher land. I'm not gonna reach your house before I go visit you. I will not reach your house before I go visit you. From far away, once I see you, I don't know how you today live. Amiegenya onekowana. Iyore geneje. No. After many years. After many years. You know what people don't know in Europe? That is, I think it's this year, something like that. I did a video. I think I mentioned something in that video. I said that this, you see, abroad is a hustling land. You see this abroad, now hustling land. Hustle your own, may I hustle my own. If you dey husband house, my sister, they build your own house, may your husband they build your. I use it to do live video. If na Iyore bed be this, I'm not that disappointed, say, she dey sleep for a place like this. Because there is a lot of women will be say, by the grace of God, now they take meet up for life. May God there. If man gog you, you go pull her for your no, the people we never see. There is some people they never see. There is some women we make God. If Iyore should sleep in this place, I'm that kind of person, I get where I they do something rich. If now this place, this bed, now Iyore they sleep. Iyore they cannot tell me say now this bed Iyore they sleep. Because they hear for information say it not dey week go house again. That's not my business. I don't poke nose for issue where be say the person know how I want to handle and when it comes to relationship as he's talking. If now the room when Iyore they sleep be this say he come on for Igbo man house. This is the place where she sleep now. This is the place where she live now. I'm not there disappointment on it. I'm not there disappointed. Which English will I use? It's not depressed. You know, I don't find it, you know, because it do happen. There is a lot of women that, they become frustrated. I do video, I talk. You see abroad, they do your own thing. If now me they talk, if I they talk, they say, see what they talk, forget. Woman, if that money they enter your hand, say, to a can real top bowayo. If you there with man, what do you they do with man? They do a 50-50. Not like the man they talk say, bring 70, make I bring 30. Or you na get 100, you give the man 70. You call hold 30. Inside that 30, the man will still come, they follow you, they chop for inside that 30. Do you know why I'm saying this now? There is a lot of women that we frustrate, even in 5 years' time. They say, I say they quit frustration. That is why sometimes when I see things like this, it don't get me frustrated, it don't get me disappointment will come from inside. No, it do happen to people. That be say when you have brain, you see this prick of a thing. Not let prick carry you waka. You know that if not, they'll say there is no how you go honor men when men go talk say they go honor you back. Men, I always they talk about men, For me, my agenda man no day. Say man, day my agenda. No, if I do my schedule this week, man no go day my schedule. Before year go runs out, man no day my schedule when it comes to black men. This is how when they say they do women. If na this house, hi darling, how you dey? Love. If na this room, na Iyore dey sleep. Now, for example, say Iyore no dey the Igbo guy house again. Na your room be this. I not see Iyore, I know how he be. I don't see her. I said the way when she take they leave, she's living like an outcast. I said it many videos when I don't do I see her. If I dey talk to you sometimes, now message now message now they send for you. When you see say lovely carry your matter, either if I talk, you go change because why? I be mother. I can give you laugh. I will put laugh into you. Coming on social media, it doesn't mean say na money. If you choose to take money from people, you take money. Everybody is not like that. If she's the one sleeping in this house, I always they talk her. Ma, for Europe na hustling land or Europe. Okay? Did you know how many women that got divorced with their husband? Some frustrate, some not frustrate. Why? If you are a woman that is intelligent, if man they do, may you they do. So women they stand by man, they say, the man they say, this house, now our family house, this house, now me with you go they sleep this house, this one, I will be husband and wife. Una don't know whether divorce fit come for front. When you don't follow a build house finish, you yourself, you don't get your own house. Now, brother, I see say woman, they join man, they build house. For Nigeria, woman, not the join man, they build house. Even women that support me build house that time for Nigeria, they regret her. And the women that build their own separately, they don't build that with man. They are okay. Did you see it? If I they talk and sometimes if I they talk, people say, wait till this one they talk. We talk out of experience sometimes. Am I what done one man one? Now make the door open now. Make you call door know what happen to the person. When I know they use and take guesses. Be a smart woman. Now you don't call me if I deal with man for house. Man bring 50,000 euro come house. Guy with a sharer. It's good for a woman to know the value of currency. A value of ekia. What is ekia? We be say women, some women that they carry big bola and that they carry big money for loan. Look, if not the place where you already sleep, now it be this. I'm not disappointed in her. I know that many people face this kind of disaster. May use the dump them. And the place where they say if they fire this woman sometimes and they lash her, people will say, why you hate her like this? Now because of the disaster when she put herself. I always tell her, say, two where you usuri. You know, say sometimes somebody that care for people or I can't do well, but people will feel that person I hate can pass. No. You not see that time, Lolo, last 2 years, last 3 years. You people should go and see Lolo now. If Lolo they laugh now real genuine laugh, now Lolo they laugh. Before Lolo they laugh bitter laugh. I'll read, I'll say, God, this woman, she's going down. People will say, shut up, you they craze. you better reach lolo, but una no see am. Most of you have eyes. You don't see it. Now they preach love. I love her. I love her. I love her. When you see somebody that is gone, they go. You don't know say this person when you love. You don't see say something wrong for your body. You didn't see it. Now they see her. When they give people fake love. I don't give fake love. I don't beg for love. If I want to give somebody love, I give love. And if I want to get love from somebody, I get genuine love. I don't need fake love. And I don't give fake love. Now because they talk last year. This woman, you not good for I girl. This woman, you not good for I girl. People, they come to saga me. Hey, lovely, you're good to kill you. Hey, lovely, see as you be. Hey, lovely, you not wear. Hey, lovely, do this one. Lovely, do this one. I say, if you not like, make you not talk. But my message, I must release it to Lolo. I release the message. But today now, if I destroy the ghost of ties, I will come see and say, yeah, she's okay. Not last year. By this time last year, how she be? Go and look last year by this time. Last year by this time, I look this year. How he be? The people that speak truth, now are they fire. We know. We won't sit down, they look. We know. They'll say, lovely, come show your own. Lovely, come show your own. If I can't show a video, they'll come enter house. You did they talk. You did they talk. I thought that one say, wait till your friend they do. Go they do, and your friend they buy fridge. If they all bust load. If they use this, they try to chair rubber. Or have fun well, they have fun so that you get peace. You have fun so that you get peace. Tell your fans to do something for you. Not be fans that they help. That one they talk on. Your friend they say your fans they help on. As you see get fans, tell your fans they help you. I'm going to tell they chat that time they talk. People come and say, hey, shut up. You dey craze? We won't be saying we know what it be. When we talk of property. Or we no acquire property with or no acquire property. It's not the same. When you see somebody that is somebody that acquire property, when you see that person is talking, listen, because you know they acquire, you go they shout, shut the house. It have venyame bu ukboruru, as my sister go talk, it was ukboruru. Now that one say you they look your friend. Now that one say your friend, it don't disable your brain. Did you know that when somebody is doing something you are not doing? Did you know? And if you get that jealous heart, your friend they do something you know they do one, it's going to disable you because you know they come on for them. More you they see and more they depress you. If you don't use cup, they depress you. If you use cup, they depress you today. Tomorrow, you go carry Coca-Cola come. You first you use cup, they depress you. You don't stop for your brain. Carry Coca-Cola come today. Use and take depress you. Stop for your brain. Tomorrow you go say this one. I don't see buy this one. You go sit here and eat there your brain. How many things don't enter your brain? So tomorrow you go carry the phone come. Eat there your brain. Don't use almost 40. Take depress you. Don't use until they demolish your brain. Carry remote come and new TV when I buy this. Everything don't they stay brain. You people don't know that this brain are magnet. Everything that your eyes see. Your brain don't magnet and you go there for the rest of your life. Now so I tell that one, oh, I said this one when you they talk so you no go help. This one when you they show waiting your friend they show, you no go help. Go do your own. As your room don't come out by mistake, go change am. Buy chair anything. You know me say you must buy new one. Go second hand. Go buy chair. This second hand doing fine. Buy and change chair. Anyone where your hand reach, change and not be once you will take change. Some people now, me now, from since when I buy this fridge, I think don't reach 2 months plus now. I buy fridge. As I buy fridge finish, it never too take. It's our last month. Now I buy machine. How much will be washing machine? I know now. I buy washing machine. I buy fridge. I buy fridge 1,000 plus. I buy washing machine. I come before you know, this thing, microwave, makara, I buy microwave. Did you see it? For that, around that month, that money when I spend, they go, that money don't reach almost, that That money don't almost reach 2,000 plus. If they go 3,000 euro. When I take buy something for us. Now I say no. I don't stop. Now small. Now they buy something for us. When you see say your things don't they old, you go change them. If you see money, still change them. Before you still know, you still change the one way. Or not be one should just take change and no, they hard because why? Now money even if say you carry 20,000 euro put for grant, say you want use and take change your house, up and down, your bed, your children bed, 20,000 euro not go rich. I say, but in a I fake loy. Now take that one that time. Today now, go see that one. Before that woman was gone, why they feel for person? Why can't you feed that person pain? If they feel for person, you must feed that person pain. You go see the pain, go see there. Pain is there is some people, if they are laughing through their laugh, now you go tell no say this person is they pain. Now for carry lolo comot inside last year. At the end of the day, they come to saga me. Good evening, my darling. How you day? At the end of the day, they come to saga me. But not to say if you not like me, not saga me. Lolo, where you day? It no good. To be honest, they change and small. Forget your friend. They do your friend. They do her own. You yourself, you they saga your friend. Your friend go carry something come out. You go open her. You go they show her. But you know they open her when your parlor come out. People was disappointed. Say, child, they don't believe. And she herself, when she look at, she know say her area mess up. Speak the truth. Me, if not like, make una carry this, it break my head. Lovely go speak truth. If you say, hey, lovely, can't show you your own. I go show you now. Me, I dey show. You don't concern me. Now, so we take do that one. Ooh. Now, say, sister, go change things. Forget those fake love. Real love go tell you, say, my sister, if you like lovely, they shout for them, but lovely right, oh. Lovely right. I use and see. I say, if you like, they saga me, I'll see they talking. But look at her today now. She not okay. She not there okay. Now, so she be last year. You know, last year. Not be so she be last year. You know? No, you know, that is it. When you see some people that they forget to buy things for house. Some people, they forget to do something. Because person matter will just carry you, all they do this thing. Now, so, okay, see, they say, now, Iyore, now, get this bed now. See the bed when they say, if now, Iyore get this bed, say, really, now, Iyore get this bed, Iyore need help. She need help. You people should stop giving her fake. This the other time, I think I did a video I spoke, made people hear. I said, somebody when you love, you must get like 2 or 3 people when you go let them know you're something. Forget say they go come laugh you. Forget say they will come laugh you. 2 people, they not be everybody. They bring somebody matter come and come talk. And some people that get secrets. But the one that they go meet, now the one where be say you go come there. The one where they make shakara. The one where no get. If they feel so cloth wear, they call my name. Lovely, I wear cloth. Are you kidding? Cloth when you wear. If I say me, I saw how much. And if I want to, I go do one best more than you. Man, I don't know how to make shakara. If Iyore, she's the one, say na room be this. If you are a friend to Iyore, you are a lover to Iyore, she need help. She need help. Look at where she's sleeping. Is she the one really sleeping in this place? Or I don't know. This is fucked up for abroad. Even a daughter of 2 years cannot have a place like this. Abroad, a person for abroad cannot have a place like this. Go to second hand, you go see bed buy for second hand. If you don't want to buy new one, or if you don't have money to buy new one, it's still there. There is second hand, they be bed then when they not sell finish for shop. They go carry and go or not that second hand there inside second hand. They go say now athletes, not be athletes that they call up, where they call up when they come out for shop, carry and go another shop. Maybe before that they sell at 1,000 euro for shop. Maybe if you did there now, you go there another kind 500 for something. If now she, they sleep for this bed. Oh. If na she dey sleep for this bed, when I see this bed, I feel pity for her. If na true say na she dey sleep for this bed, she need help. She need help. My egenya, my egenya, Amwebog those states. There is a lot of things that she will do. I can't bear. If I see Toto and sometimes I tell her, say, go Bini, go beg. They not go kill you. I can't do her. When you go Bini, go beg. This thing, this suffer, when you don't suffer alone, your own, you are sad. Oh my God. Oh, so I don't know God, I don't know. May I bear sometimes if they beat you, people say, lovely, why they beat this person like this? Not be say I hate her, I hate her, I hate her. No. Because, oh, I mean, people reward. I don't know where few bed joy. I suppose where they few bed joy. The needful do it. Pata, yes, say where that's so. Don't deny man, don't deny, where did don't say, we need. Ou fait qu'à l'okere, one day I say for. You go there, hiding, doing this. I tell you that they say you they hide. You are hiding anywhere. People feel say, lovely way till they talk. Look, it's now true this place. Now she they sleep. Nah. She is the one who sleep. Is it sleep it? Show. No, I'm not angry of her. I'm just, it's a painful thing that, look at where she's sleeping. How many years in Europe? I wear in bed in Are you kidding? It doesn't mean that you have the bed only 1,000 euro. No. Let your bed be, now there be angel. That is the place where your angel relax. That is the place. So now they see me sometimes, I go on your best spread. Best spread, every week, now that they change best spread. Every week, the pillowcase, pillowcase, no, they spend that week. And they use pillowcase, they change pillowcase. That is how they do one. But if she's the one sleeping this bed, this woman, she need help. Let this woman, you report that is going with this woman. This is, the person get, how will I say, person get problem, as Iyore get problem. So, the people when they follow you waka, let them stand. Let them help you, let them check. Something that happen in Benin. You will go there. This thing that you just stay. Who talk on that day? Who talk on Odionwe say they want more when also now your story. No be Odionwe talking. He say every day two live video presenter don't talk mama still talking. That mama when they Jimmy. Is it untouchable mama? Oh when you they go more well. We say now your story. Yet they enter. Ukberala. I don't know as nothing they do friend though. Like me, if I want to do love, I want to really do friendship. And they do that friendship, clean friendship. How they do friendship, kiss and like do. I don't know how to do it. If I don't want to keep friend, I don't keep friend. If I want to keep, I keep. Everybody need person when you go the advisor. Everybody need mentor. This woman, she don't have mentor. If this woman have mentor, is she the one that is sleeping in this place? Away Ivana Iyore. I don't believe in it. Say Iyore not they live this. She's not living in this house. Say na yeah, she dey waka call here, come they sleep. It's a disaster. If they do something for this life, it's good for you to listen to person. Now may God give you 2 years. If you know hear where another person go say, now so they say, now so he go say, my brother, wait till they talk just now, no hear and finish. You go say, see wait till talk. If she's the one sleeping this bed. Okay. she's not sleeping. Abia. That is it. If that they talk today now, if the woman get money use now, the woman not get money use. The man where the woman go meet now wrong man. Do you know why I said that man is a wrong man? Igbo man when meet the wrong. When if the Igbo man a better person, when Iyore of Igbo get guy, now I go tell him say no. Because that man have culture in Igbo land. Igbo people they value that traditional put. Igbo people they go if they do festival for Igbo land, they value festival past Christmas. You know, during the time of festival for Igbo land, around that kind October, November, you know, say now they do festival. You know, from there people don't already they go house for Christmas. Men, now their boys go day shop. Men don't already go house from festival. They come do Christmas, do New Year. No, she's not funny. That is not funny. Now so now they talk. She's not funny. No matter how now Europe with day, it's not funny. She's not all funny. This is not funny. Thank you. Bella. Yes, it's good, you know. When something not good, my people, no matter how you love that person rich, okay, I'm your friend. You they go outside, me with you don't waka come on for house. You get say for eye. You get dirty for nose. Now me with you they waka they go. If you can't reach somewhere, another person will come say, we see your face. He say iwe dirty just full. If you call the cleaner, wait, now me you go blame. You say, me with you don't they waka they come since. You don't even see this thing for my distance. Now what for you? You go first. You go first. Because now people now be person mirror. Now we the human being, we be ourselves mirror. Let's try to tell ourselves the truth. Some people are putting it say, now fun. Not be funny. It's not funny. It's not a funny thing. Funny. Funny. That one is different. That one are different. You are right. Is it Anna? Yes. We need to drag that her Igbo boyfriend. What that man did to her is bad. And the man just waste her time. Thank you, my darling. You know, see, yes. If that man, Igbo people, they use traditional to play. Anything culture. Igbo people don't use that. If Igbo people follow masquerade, if masquerade they go 3 hours journey, Igbo people go they dance, follow masquerade, they go. They know tradition, they respect tradition. When Iyore was doing the one that she was doing, this Igbo man never thought, say, no, don't do that. She did that, she go follow and use chair sit down. It's an Igbo man. When Iyore they do that thing that time, do you know a lot of Igbo people, sometimes I will see attack and sometimes I say, may I still live on. Whenever I do video, Igbo, they must come and say, my sister, only that hunt when that woman take they drink water is an abomination. Only the hunt when they horn. Is it horn? Talk? When me now horn. Only the horn when they drink water is abomination in Igbo land. And after he use that one finish, he they carry a kidon, he they drag am for mold. Is an abomination. He said the Igbo when he they follow Iyore, The Igbo people, when they call me that, they said the Igbo na Osu. Say it's an Osu. He said it's an Osu. When you talk of culture, Osu people don't they believe culture because why? They don't get any place. Osu people, when she was doing video that time, sometimes if I attack her, some Igbo people, when they call me, they say Osu no know whether culture they exist because they be Osu. They know they participate if anything tradition because they be outcast. Now, so most of those Igbo they tell me that time, you go say the man are outcast. If the man not be outcast, wait till this una Bini sister they do. He say the man for no alara. If now he said no matter how much you go see for inside. He said the man no go alara. He said the man na Osu. How can Igbo man go day? Woman go carry home. You go they use and take the drink water. He said, and Osu man na this woman go follow. Also don't know what is culture. Because they not say for Igbo land, they say they don't abolish them. Now so that they talk say they don't abolish and say they not they Osu again. The man said during the time when we say Osu day, they never they abolish some for some city for some villages for Igbo land. He said they know they come if they do something, they know they reach there. What it make Osu be Osu? What make and Osu be Osu? They against tradition. Some people when they be Osu today, there is something where we say they're not supposed to do, they go do one. You know, see, you will see some father now they go give woman give their daughter belle. In the days, it go become an Osu. There is something, say for example, say Nyam, New Nyam festival where they do. If you never reach, you do stubbornness, you go chop that Nyam. Just as they do, oh yeah, without they never do their this thing, you don't be an Osu be that. Did you see it? When now the man come say, if that Igbo man where he did with this una sister say, na real freeborn of Igbo, he say, he no go allow that woman they do waiting she they do. How can a woman go carry home? He go they use until they drink. He said the man wish money. He said the man na Osu. Then the man now can't use Iyore to Osu. He said he dragged that Bini woman, drag her, follow a body. Look at the place where she's sleeping. If now Iyore they sleep for here, you know say so they say it don't come up for Igbo house, so you know concern me, that is not my business. Iyore fit dey Igbo man house. If he get bed when they sleep for there. The day when the man go tell Iyore say come up for my house, and this is the place where Iyore want to sleep. This is the place where you want to sleep because she's not sleeping. She's not there her house. He said to you, my darling, how you there? It's a pity. It's a pity. Now pityness, now it be that one. Now it be say this life, try sometimes, you will follow man where you know tradition. You will follow somebody where be say if they do something, person will say, no, not do it again. See the way when you can't do itself. See the way when they do itself. If now sheep, this bed, see, they say, now what they say that they come here, see bed, do, see bed. Now what say, are you really sure that now Iyore, now they sleep for this bed? Ah. Many people say, I beg you. Now, Matt, if you see those people, they make noise sometimes. They are very terrible. Look, what's this? Are you really serious? Una serious? I've been a play una they play. Now this one they go they talk say come see this one better pass you. See come see this one better pass you, guys. Are you serious? Say okay, let's say for example now this rubber when I put for here they let me for here. Let's say for example now say if she come up for Igbo man house now this place they can't sleep. For example, say she leave Igbo man house. Now this place, now she they can't sleep. Tomorrow, now all day Facebook, now just they make mouth. Like go the worst part of it, who better pass you now they laugh. Oh no, man, never 100 times. Now they laugh. And you people will be living fake life. And the people that is living real life, you not go they laugh. Hey, go see ACP. Go see ACP. She not got anything. Huh? Barrister, you not see the bed very, very well. They sleep. Yes, I see the bed very well. If not this one, okay. For example, now, that time now they say, oh, you both die, leave house for her. Or you both they get property, for you both get 4 bed, 4 rooms. If you use one, they do office. You go use 3 bed, go there inside the 3. You go arrange her. Is she really sleeping in this place? Is she, let's say for example now, because why she get that house now? She don't trust Owigbo 100%. That is why she still keep that house. She don't trust Owigbo. Owigbo can push her off his house anytime. That is why he keep this place. At now, this is the place. Anytime when Owigbo take chase her out, this is the place where she come. Because this is her own original place. They let her put things together and live new life. Let her give herself new life. Why is she just pretending? Why not they pretend for long? I mean, not they show now where she they stay. Because the Igbo man has when he day. She they stand for there, they do video. Or babegbe. They babegbe like thief. Once the Igbo man enter house, or a babegbe, or a babegbe. I say, what's this? Somebody when you call her Sherry to where babegbe. Why be say where they reject you now? Why be say now then on they go? She is rejected by that Igbo man. Do you want the Igbo man to say it in your face before you know? A lot of time that they cut video where the Igbo man they bully and sometimes. There is a day that she was doing video. The people call the tell her say, offer. Just show and say, you are not welcome where that man dey. Only the stupidity where he follows you. You're supposed to know, say, oh, I've overstayed. When you are overstayed, you have to know that you are overstayed. So people now, if they go greet person, the first time when you enter your house, you don't use go to do pepper soup, cook everything, do everything. Before you come spend 1 week, the first time when you cannot be the same way when you take servant for 1 week. When you take cannot be take the servant. That one come to say, I will call the go house tomorrow. You say, you want to call the go house? You say, I want to call the go house tomorrow. We don't sit there now. We don't spend 2 weeks now. Person they overstay. Even relationship, as he talk and relationship. Even when relationship is not good, you are overstayed. You know that you don't overstay, not good again. Even husband herself. When husband house is not good, you yourself don't say, oh, I've overstayed in this marriage. It's not good again. You have to quit. There is some things that is not good. Everything go change. You go come out. If they not use matter, you say come out. You go come out. There is some people when they marry. Not be the man to say pack your law come out. They see the character of the man. And they say no. This marriage not be marriage again. They carry their akpaya. Now they waka. People waka. They say now you with your husband. How? I don't fit again. Because different character go they come out. Now you see some people say one say. They ask the man, say, wait till you have say, no, you just wake up one day, say, no, see the woman for your house again. Because the woman don't already know, say, he don't overstay. Respect no day again. She don't have respect with that, she without Owigbo. She don't get, Owigbo no they respect her again. Did you know what is Owigbo? What am Owigbo? Igbo, man. You say, wait till. Igbo man. How you want to one? This is terrible, If Nairo is like money don't finish now. Money don't finish. How is it that one that time self they say now sota water ministry, sota water. Oh my have to get guageni. If he still they do that sota water, even he say now she take kobo now they see for inside. If not take kobo now they see for inside better pass. This one now she don't gog. What's this? I mean, picture no even Johnny yes again. No be that one so. Eh? When no ya wan we ne picture now. Picture no even Johnny yes again. Eri owe ya wan yo wa. E wan room no je ke no big boje. Eri owe ya wan the bed. Yes, the room when with Ovigbo, there is one time when the house when with Ovigbo, but there is one time when they do live video. Eri owe ya arrange her. She's not fine. She's not okay. You people should let her know. If you are a friend to her, please. What call her? Where you say, sister, you need help. You know, you say you need help. They know say it get how person go be. You when they follow the person, you know. Open up to people. Where? Renovate? Now renovate you talk. Renovate the house now. She renovate the house, I be what? I don't know what to write there because I know they too much see the alphabet. The alphabet is very small. You know? Okay, when I come see this one, carry con. But for the time when you go clear grass that time, when people come to ask and say whether you go Africa. As I they work out, they come, I think it was, is it last year? I don't know. I don't know, last year, I'll be last 2 years, I don't know. As he said that they clear the grass for there, you know. You have your own something. Okay, why now say you dey without a big now? Because you know go see Binima when go carry on. You know see she know see Binima when go carry on. No Binima when go carry on. That is it. Oshamie, jockey dava de bon on it tie. You know see Binima when go carry on. This life, anything when person they do for this life, you have to be careful of it. Sometimes, money issue, not let money issue to carry you go. People, you see people, some people they, if friend go tell them, say, see where for make money, you will tell friend, say, no, I don't want to make money like that. You say, come, me will go. You say, no, I know they go. You see, it's a pity. Okay. If now, yes, this is how she normally decorates where she stay. Yeah, picture now with an EVSCG. Look at it. You just look at the bed. She can't even. What's this? What kind of depression is this? Yeah, what kind of depression is this? Just look at the bed. Even though we can when you go to Facebook, people will feel say. Na it be Alpha and Omega. Na it be Alpha and Omega. She can't even iron the best spread. What's this? This is not good. This is not fair. Eh? I don't understand, though. I don't understand at all. Are you really kidding? Okay, why not they make shakara for Facebook? We will not they make shakara, and I will say now we not get. Eh? Man no make shakara, now we not get. Hey, now wow. Eh? What's this? Is that really true? I want to again now. Eh? I want to nahi. Lo, we not get nahi now. This is Abidjan ESG picture. This is Europe. I'm not mocking you, but to be honest, see. That's it. No, my pillowcase be that one. What's this? So anytime when maybe with Igbo guy quarrel now here they come. Only this alone can even make the man to ride on you. You know, when you leave man, just go clean up. Not let the man know say, he push you down. You get up. When you stand up, the man will know say, yes, you be woman. Look at it. Now, just say, now this one, the me, I mean, yet eat and yes again. Now. This is the pillow, whatsoever. Look at where she's sleep. My people, waiting now. Waiting now. Almost 20-something years for abroad. She don't pass this thing now. 20-something years for abroad. Waiting now. You don't enter street. If you be joking, I better pass now. What's this? Look at. Look at it. I be no azumela. My you know, say sometimes it may have a but one sometimes it still get the way when I sit there the talk to the person. You see? Look. See ya. Ha! A live video presenter. My sister, if now true this bed are you they sleep. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't let them tell say, now lie they lie. Now lie they lie. For your mind, you know say now this bed. Okay, where they come from breed this bed? Where they for come breed this bed? Why they not breed this bed last year? Why they not breed this bed last 2 years? Why they not breed this bed last 3 years? Why it can't be saying now when she with Monica they do saga, now this bed can't fall out. I bet now Monica plus on now for see this bed. I be Monica fair keep on before. He keep the bed before. Just look, man. This is fuck, man. What's this? That means that this woman, she's depressed. This woman, she's totally depressed. This woman needs people where they go console her. She need consolement. She need it. Now, fete Iyore. Now, Iyore. We could not go help this one, sister. I'm just running this live video for you. But this place, and I mean, they help people, they cured their depression. Look, just look. Oh, this is bullshit. Ha! Okay, she's showed by herself today. Oh. Joy David. Oh. She need help. Yeah, she need help. Like this place you are, right now, I'm not mocking you. But you need help. You need it. Yes. Let people help you. I know your order. We few get guine. I ain't your ba we only waiting you want. You don't supposed to be into any saga. The friends that you will take as your friend, let them help you out. Let them help you out. Let those your friend call you. Just say, we are not doing saga again. Let's take saga beside this issue. You see your friends, let them call you. No, wanna just plan. And when now people they help, now person they help person, people they help person. You know? If she cannot move by herself, she cannot do something by herself. Or if she somebody they get support. Or if she now abuwaki muni pilawo. As far as she get friends, those friends supposed to do things together with her. No be say all the year, I will saga for ne ukponode, I will friend do, or we yasu ukponode, ukponode we happy new year, you happy new year, I will happy new year for. Yeah, they can't. Since ni aya mo ebok buwe, yeah, don't they can't put every day by day, every day by day, day as they can't. Now so we say they can't. Now so months say they can't. Now so years say they can't. Ha! She don't even, the man when she even there with self, she's not gonna be okay. And she's living with that man, she's not gonna be okay. Are you gonna tell me that Igbo man go come follow this woman sleep for this bed? The Igbo man they craze. The Igbo man they craze. Go come follow Iyore sleep for this bed. If now her room, as this person writes, so if now her room, now be this, man, that is bullshit. Now bullshit, now this thing be. To be honest, let's be sincere. Make they tell ourselves the truth. You know, who they tell the truth for social media? Who know they do gri like una. Now they feel say no get to. Una will buy one cloth, make powder, pussy down. People call the lose say una get. No. There is women with wisdom, people with wisdom and knowledge. All you people are doing on that social media, you don't acquire your wisdom and you forget your knowledge. Look at the place where she's sleeping. And look at, okay, now is this thing not smelly? She cannot buy a bedspread. She cannot change it. May go second hand, bedspread full second hand. This is ridiculous. This is out of point. And she did do saga on top of those bullshit. I felt talking. I talk and say, eke no wana jenya. Ime piri oye seke. I said it in my live video. Maybe if he did the video that they go say how this woman take they know. Anywhere where you there, I go see you. As far as well, you down over I go they see you. I talk for my video. I say not just to they talk. Everywhere where he did, see the place where he did, it no good. When all the life where he live for Arianu see, now the life she see they live this time. And a truth. If not this bed, now she take they sleep. No. Man, she need help. She have friends. Let her friends. To be honest, we are all human beings. Even before they go even bypass itself, they go say, they go condemn you. They either by electric shock or by hanging. Before the day when they go even kill that person, they go still give her food chop. Even if say na next year, now they want kill her by hanging or by electric shock. They'll say in 2 years' time, they don't judge. 2 years' time, now they go hang you. They will still give her food they chop. Can't reach that 2 years before they go hang her. If you are a friend to that woman, Mona not just do or say bunu, you people should call her. What you know, no people should call her. Make it not they do mama, no ye no say mama, awe mama, you work with when awe mama. Look at the place where she's living after 20-something years in Europe. Are you kidding? Are you think I'm on the bed in your tour? Are you think I'm here? Walking for Nasununa, walking na, or one orebo. Are the way you say, if this woman carry, say, like all those people when they observe all those things, and like Oibona, if they enter this woman's house, they go tell the woman, say, you are very depressed. What is wrong with you? What is going on? It's bad. This will not be, say, that the patient see with my bed. Waiting now. Nah. This is totally unacceptable. This is what is this? What is going on? What's in one another? I felt talking. Yeah, what they go. And the worst part of it, who they try pass the night that they insult. What did they deceive on herself? Why was the part of your phone? I got that lovely, I better pass you. Lovely, I better pass you. Really? Really? Your room is like this. How much is bed? Okay, you have this in mattress. Can't you just go and buy bed? You have mattress already. You can just go and buy bed. And they say bed of 300 euro. By the way, your house still rich. Look at the place. Oh my God. Oh my God. Eken when money picture no jani yes geyi. Eken picture no jani yes geyi we do. Eri ogbi where. No. But what's in now Facebook? Yeah, see, when these people go wear cloth finish, they'll say they get money pass you. Yeah, see, fake things. After they put on fake things, they will tell you, say, I pass you, I get money pass you. Look at the place where she live. Seriously? She had just come in. We are well, one of Iyore no. If na Iyore room, na it be this one, my people when they follow Iyore, Fans, Iyore fans. You gonna work hard again your Maya we or you know just and take do better thing. Or Maya we mi rock ba o a bed near where or Vienna here where is shown. Oh well I pity for Rasha, you know. And they find I want to do one. Oh, you got the shot. Ah, my wow. Baki bupachina. Bawochina. Ah. Ah. Eh? Also, you saw the Facebook. Who better pass than they go, they laugh. Now that myself, I go, you get what person when we talk, they talk, say lovely, yes. I say, now wow. He said that is some things way they see for social media sometimes. Don't way as these people get mad rich. Yeah, where now sure. Today now you show this bed. Okay, now bed now cloth you take cover this bed. Now okay, a cloth no work me when now. I she learn now you can bed dinner. Waiting go call how the mattress go be now. How the mattress go be. Power chain now. How can go be. You no blow. You no blow. That day now they say Jennifer Collins no blow. You don't see bed when Jennifer Collins stay they sleep. Eh? That one marry Oyibo. Are you first marry Oyibo? Jennifer Collins were my blow. Jennifer Collins were my blow. So you know that you yourself na second na you day. Now you go they talk to people. You say me I know they get views. See, and I know